So Jordan, a disappointing evening in the end, and that despite going a goal ahead as well through your own goal. Tell me the emotions that are going through your head at the moment.
Obviously disappointed with the defeat, but then the goal was obviously a special moment for myself in a proper European game. But obviously we go ahead, we want to get some out of the game, but it just wasn't to be.
It felt like you all put in a real shift out there, and it was the same 11 as well that won against Astana that began the match this evening. What do you feel the difference was out there tonight?
Maybe just little moments in games like defending crosses, maybe a bit of moment of magic up top. I think that was just the difference tonight, but other than that I thought we worked really hard, played really well, and it's unfortunate.
Do you feel that there was enough made of the few chances when they came?
Maybe not, but like I said, that's probably the difference from the Astana game, and we can't change it now, so we just crack on.
3 games to go though, Jordan, a chance now to kind of pick up, carry on. There's no time for heads down, is there?
No time for heads down. We've just got to crack on. We've got a lot of games coming up, league and in this cup, but we've got 3 good games coming up, and no one expects us to do anything. We go out and give our all and hopefully pick up points along the road.
Appreciate your time, Jordan. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you.